Click on the link below to get price. The Folding Adirondack Chair made from HDPE is a practical option for those looking to enhance their outdoor seating experience. With its classic design and modern materials, this chair aims to combine comfort and functionality. This review will provide an overview of the chair's features, its ease of use, and an insight into its suitability for various settings. One of the first aspects to note about this Adirondack chair is its construction material. The use of HDPE, or high-density polyethylene, is significant as it is known for its durability and resistance to weather elements. This makes it an appealing choice for outdoor furniture, especially in regions subject to varying climates. The chair also features a folding design, which allows for convenient storage and transport, making it suitable for both permanent outdoor setups and occasional use. The chair comes equipped with 2 cup holders, a thoughtful addition that enhances the overall seating experience. These holders provide a designated space for beverages, ensuring that drinks are safely within reach while individuals relax and enjoy their surroundings. This feature is particularly beneficial for gatherings or leisurely afternoons spent on the patio or deck. As for assembly, customers will find that the process is straightforward and manageable, requiring minimal tools. This ease of assembly is an essential consideration for those who may be wary of complex furniture setups. The instructions provided are typically clear, allowing users to quickly enjoy their new chair without frustration. In terms of usage, the Folding Adirondack Chair offers a comfortable seating option that supports relaxation. Its design mirrors the classic Adirondack style, which is known for its sloped back and wide armrests, elements that contribute to an inviting profile. Whether used for reading, socializing with friends, or simply soaking in the sun, this chair aims to provide a satisfactory experience. In conclusion, the Folding Adirondack Chair made from HDPE presents a practical solution for individuals seeking durable and comfortable outdoor seating. With its thoughtful features such as cup holders and an easy assembly process, it accommodates a variety of outdoor activities. Its timeless design and modern materials make it a versatile addition to any patio, deck, or garden space.